The crypto market exploded higher today by almost 5%. Bitcoin is now over $24,000, an increase of more than $1,000 just today. Ethereum is up 5.8% to over $1,680. Polygon Matic is up almost 12% to $1.24. Arweave is up 17% to over $12.59. Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, sees evidence of inflation decreasing. The United States Central Bank increased interest rates another 25 basis points. Investors believe that the Fed will continue to hike another 25 basis points next month. The interest rate range of 4.5% to 4.75% is now the highest in 15 years. In its policy statement, the central bank said ongoing increases in borrowing costs will be necessary to further cool inflation. At his post-meeting press conference, Powell made some hawkish remarks. Hawkish is a term used to describe people who favor or expect aggressive or higher interest rates in order to reduce spending in the economy. Dovish is a term used to describe people who favor or expect lower or less aggressive interest rates in order to increase spending in the economy. Powell's hawkish comments reminded reporters of inflation's destructiveness, and the Fed's commitment to lowering inflation to 2%. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.